Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to create backlink. So the website name is dribbly.com. So this website can providing a kind of services like if we can submit our images and the infographic kind of things. So now we can going to start. I can going to show you the website authority. So you guys can see this website having a 93 domain rating, and I can show you the website traffic and other source. So you guys can see this website having a 14 million traffic total visitors. And now I can show you the overall traffic from USA, India, Indonesia, Brazil, China, that kind of mostly traffic this website having. So if you guys can want to attract audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to publish your images and infographic from targeted any kind of countries. Okay, so the our research process is completed now. Now I'm going to show you the website. This is the website interface. The website name is dribbly.com. So how we can going to do, we can going to click for the sign up button. The first thing we have to do, so there is a two option to you guys can sign up with the Google directly, and now you guys can click to continue with the email. So we can going to add a username, then we can add a email ID, then you guys have to add your password. I guess I have already created on that account. So we can going to click for the sign up button, where we can going to put our login details. Then you guys are redirected from that interface, and where you guys can optimize your profile. There is an option to you can click for the edit profile button. Then you guys can add your details. I have added my bio, my locations, brand name, and the publication website. If you guys are having your website URL, then you guys have to add your website URL. Then you guys can add your profile portfolio URL, then portfolio password, then the calendar URL. Okay, then you guys have to click for the save profile button, and after that you guys can go on home page. Then you guys have to click for the share your work, where you guys can publish your images. Then we can going to copy our image. Then you guys have to add your title, and when you guys can add your description, and where you guys can also able to add your, then where you guys can also able to insert your targeted URL. We can going to, oh fuck. Where you guys can add your targeted URL. I have to copy my targeted URL, then you guys can add, and then you guys have to click. Then when you guys can get a contextual backlink. So now the our normal process is completed now. Then you guys have to click for the continue button, and where you guys can add your tags. So we are a group of companies. Then you guys can add your tags for your requirement. Then you guys have to click for the publish button. Then your infographic or image is published now. Then this is our landing page URL. This is a 100% live backlink, instant approval backlink. Oh, sorry, why? uh, we can going to copy our landing page URL from there now, and we can check in incognito tab. Why our backlink is not approved? So you guys can wait a couple of time, then this website can going to approve your infographic or image submission. Then I can show you this is a do follow or no follow backlink. So you guys can see this is a 100% no follow backlink. Okay, so this is a website where you guys have to publish your infographic or images. Once you guys can publish your image, then you guys have to make sure that your article and your title, it will be going to a genuine. Then this website can going to approve your a backlink, any kind of images or infographic backlink. if I can going to talk about this website, for previously, if we are publishing any kind of content, then this website can going to publish instantly. So that's why I have idea to this website can publish instantly a backlink, but I'm not sure for the now this website can going to update any kind of changes for the moderation. So if you guys can publish any kind of content, then you guys have to wait for the your content approval, then you guys are able to publish your content on that website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for you, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And for the last thing I wanted to request with you guys, one thing, if you guys can want to connect with me or want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and like button, because these things can going to help me, these things can going to motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you guys. So if you guys can want, then you guys can hit the subscribe button and like button. And for the last thing, thanks for the watching guys, and bye bye, take care.